Bonjour! Are you ready for an adventure in the City of Lights? Today, we're going off the beaten path and exploring the hidden gems of Paris on foot. Our day starts at the charming Marché d'Aligre, where we'll grab some freshly baked croissants and coffee to fuel our journey. Our first stop is the vibrant and multicultural neighborhood of Belleville, known for its street art and panoramic views of the city. We'll stroll through the winding streets, taking in the colorful murals and enjoying the eclectic mix of cultures. Next up, we'll head to the enchanting Canal Saint-Martin, where we'll watch the boats pass through the locks and soak up the bohemian atmosphere of the area. As we continue our walk, we'll stop by the Père Lachaise Cemetery, where we'll pay our respects to the likes of Jim Morrison, Oscar Wilde, and Edith Piaf. The peaceful setting and stunning architecture make this one of the most unique cemeteries in the world. Our last stop of the day is the quaint and picturesque neighborhood of Montmartre. We'll climb the steep streets to the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, where we'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the city below. As the sun sets on our day of adventure, we'll head back to our starting point with memories and photos to last a lifetime. What a wonderful day of sightseeing and exploration in the magical city of Paris.